Keep moving forward. Life is full of challenges, setbacks, and unexpected obstacles. Sometimes, we feel stuck, discouraged, or uncertain about the future. However, the key to success and fulfillment is simple. Keep moving forward. No matter how difficult things get, progress comes from persistence and resilience. Moving forward doesn't mean ignoring our struggles or pretending problems don't exist. It means learning from mistakes, adapting to new situations, and pushing ourselves to grow. In this article, we will explore why moving forward is important, how to overcome obstacles, and strategies to stay motivated on the journey of life. In life, nothing stays the same forever. We are either moving forward or staying stuck in the past. When we refuse to move forward, we risk missing out on new opportunities, personal growth, and happiness. Benefits of moving forward. Personal growth. Every step forward teaches us something new. Increased confidence. Progress helps us believe in ourselves. More opportunities. The world opens up when we take action. Emotional strength. Overcoming obstacles makes us stronger. Success in life. No great achievement happens without persistence. Example: imagine someone who lost their job and feels discouraged. If they keep moving forward, they will eventually find new opportunities, maybe even something better than before. But if they stay stuck in disappointment, they may miss out on their next big chance. Overcoming fear and doubt. Fear and doubt are two of the biggest obstacles that prevent people from moving forward. Many people hesitate to take action because they are afraid of failure or the unknown. How to overcome fear and doubt. Accept that fear is normal. Everyone feels afraid when facing something new. Focus on what you can control. Instead of worrying about the unknown, take action on what you can change. Change your perspective on failure. See failures as lessons, not as reasons to give up. Surround yourself with positive influences. Spend time with people who encourage and inspire you. Example: a person who dreams of starting a business may feel afraid of failure. However, if they focus on small steps like researching, networking, and learning, they will gradually gain the confidence to move forward. Learning from setbacks and failures. Everyone faces setbacks in life. The most successful people are not those who never fail, but those who never stop trying. How to learn from setbacks. Analyze what went wrong. Understand why something didn't work. Adjust your approach. Change your strategy if needed. Stay patient. Success takes time, and persistence is key. Keep your focus on the future. Don't let one failure define your journey. One of the hardest things in life is letting go of past mistakes, regrets, or painful experiences. However, holding on to the past prevents us from moving forward. How to let go and move forward. Forgive yourself and others. Holding on to anger or regret only hurts you. Focus on the present moment. The past is gone. The future is waiting. Set new goals. Give yourself something positive to work toward. Practice gratitude. Appreciate what you have today instead of dwelling on what's lost. Example: a person who went through a difficult breakup may feel stuck in sadness. Instead of constantly thinking about the past, they can start focusing on self-improvement, hobbies, and new experiences to move forward. Developing a positive mindset. Our thoughts shape our reality. If we constantly think about obstacles, we will feel stuck. But if we focus on possibilities and solutions, we will find ways to move forward. How to build a positive mindset. Practice self-affirmations. Repeat phrases like, "I am capable," or "I can handle this." Surround yourself with positivity. Avoid negative people and influences. Look for the lesson in every challenge. Instead of saying, "Why is this happening to me?" ask, "What can I learn from this?" Take care of your mental health. Exercise, meditate, and get enough rest. Our thoughts shape our reality. If we constantly think about obstacles, we will feel stuck. 11. But if we focus on possibilities and solutions, we will find ways to move forward. How to build a positive mindset. Practice self-affirmations. Repeat phrases like, I am capable, or I can handle this. Surround yourself with positivity. Avoid negative people and influences. Look for the lesson in every challenge. Instead of saying, why is this happening to me? Ask, what can I learn from this? Take care of your mental health. Exercise, meditate, and get enough rest. Example. Sometimes, the best way to move forward is to take action even when we don't feel ready. Waiting for the perfect time often leads to more delays and procrastination. How to take action. Break big goals into small steps. Focus on one thing at a time. Start before you feel ready. Action creates confidence. Stay consistent. Success comes from daily effort. Track your progress. Seeing improvement keeps you motivated. Example. If someone wants to write a book but keeps delaying, they can start by writing just one paragraph per day. Small actions lead to big results. The people we spend time with affect our mindset and motivation. If we surround ourselves with negative people, we may feel discouraged. But if we spend time with motivated, supportive individuals, we are more likely to move forward. How to build a positive support system. Find mentors or role models. Learn from those who have succeeded. Join groups or communities with similar goals. Support from like-minded people keeps us motivated. Limit time with negative influences. Avoid people who constantly complain or bring you down. Example. An aspiring athlete who trains with disciplined and hard-working teammates will naturally become more motivated than someone who trains alone. Never stop learning, and growing. Life is a continuous journey of learning. If we stop learning, we stop growing. Ways to keep growing. Read books and listen to podcasts. Knowledge expands our thinking. Take on new challenges. Growth happens outside our comfort zone. Seek feedback and improvement. Learn from mistakes. Stay curious and open-minded. Always look for new opportunities. Example. A professional who wants to advance in their career can take online courses, attend workshops, or learn new skills to stay competitive. Keep moving forward, no matter what. No matter what you're facing, the most important thing is to keep moving forward. Life is not always easy, but progress is always possible. If you failed, learn from it and try again. If you feel stuck, take one small step forward. If you feel discouraged, remember that growth takes time. The road to success is not a straight path. It is full of ups and downs, but as long as you keep going, you will get closer to your goals. Don't stop. Don't give up. Just keep moving forward. The power of persistence and progress. In life, we all face challenges, failures, and moments of doubt. Sometimes, things don't go as planned, and we feel like giving up. However, the secret to achieving success, happiness, and personal growth is simple. Keep moving forward. No matter what happens, the most important thing is to never stop progressing. Whether you're pursuing a dream, overcoming difficulties, or trying to improve yourself, moving forward is the only way to create a better future. This article will explore why moving forward is important, the challenges that hold us back, and practical strategies to stay motivated and keep going. Life is constantly changing, and nothing stays the same forever. We are either growing or staying stuck. If we stop moving forward, we risk missing out on opportunities, learning experiences, and the chance to achieve our goals. The benefits of moving forward. Personal growth. Every step forward helps us become a better version of ourselves. More opportunities. When we take action, new doors open. Greater resilience. Challenges make us stronger and more prepared for the future. Increased happiness. Progress gives us a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Success in life. Every great achievement is the result of persistence. Even though we all want to progress, there are obstacles that hold us back. The key is to recognize and overcome these challenges. Fear of failure. Many people don't move forward because they are afraid of failing. But failure is not the end. It is a lesson that helps us improve. Lack of motivation. Sometimes we lose the motivation to keep going, especially when results take longer than expected. The secret is to stay focused on the bigger picture. Procrastination. Waiting for the perfect time often leads to endless delays. The best way to beat procrastination is to start now, even if you feel unprepared. Negative thinking. If we constantly tell ourselves that we can't do something, we start to believe it. Positive thinking is crucial for moving forward. Example: a student who failed an exam might feel like giving up, but if they choose to analyze their mistakes, change their study habits, and try again, they will improve and eventually succeed. To keep moving forward means continuing with your life, your goals, your dreams, even when things don't go your way. It doesn't mean rushing or pretending everything is perfect. It means taking one step at a time, even when the path ahead is unclear. It's about being brave enough to keep going, even when fear, failure, or uncertainty try to hold you back. It's easy to keep going when things are easy, but real strength shows up when things get tough. Choosing to move forward during hard times is what builds character, resilience, and purpose. When you're lost, just keep going. There will be times when you don't know what's next. You might feel confused, disappointed, or alone. That's okay. You don't need to have all the answers right away. Keep going, keep showing up, keep learning, growing, and trying. Life has a way of guiding us when we stay in motion. Clarity often comes through action, not sitting still. Keep moving forward also applies to relationships. Sometimes we have misunderstandings, hurt feelings, or conflict. Instead of giving up, we can choose to communicate, listen, forgive, and grow together. Moving forward in love means choosing connection over pride, healing over blame. We often focus on how far we still have to go and forget how far we've already come. Take a moment to reflect. What have you overcome? What have you learned? What have you done that your past self would be proud of? In life, you will be tested. You will have hard days, and things won't always go your way. But remember this: you are stronger than you think. You are not alone. And no matter what happens, you can always take one more step. So, when you feel stuck, tired, or uncertain, whisper to yourself, keep moving forward. Because every step forward, no matter how small, is a step toward the life you want.